Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I want to show you about creating dashboard only with Excel. You can imagine, you can create a dashboard like this using only Excel. You don't need to bother with the Tableau, Looker or even Power BI. Moreover, there's no need to install application like those to create a dashboard like this. Every computer you have definitely has Microsoft Excel on it. Let's check out the functionality within this dashboard. You can see in the screen, I have a slicer for the day, month, and years. This is slicer connected to the mini chart in the center or the right. I wanna try and show to you like this, and you can see the chart change from the value. And if you see for the right chart, I have the three chart can change with the slicer because I not connected the slicer with this chart because this is chart show about the years and trend for the sellers and many more. Now, if you're curious, I will show you how to make it. You can create it on the new sheets next to your data sheet. You only need to add two sheets, sheets 1 for the pivot table and the other sheets for the dashboard you see here. Now, let's go to the pivot table. For the sheets 1, which is the pivot table sheets, you can use it as follow. Add the pivot table like this and select the cells, insert several column and value. And after you're done with the panel for the pivot table for your dashboard, you can creating a chart and copying it to the dashboard. Next, you can get the creativity and customize it as you must like. Thank you.